mean, this works.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Bandera County, west central Kerr County, northeastern Kinney County, northwestern Uvalde County, eastern Edwards County, Real County, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles east of Rock Springs to 8 miles west of Alamo Village, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakey, Ingram, Hunt, Camp Wood, Laguna, Barksdale, Tuff, Rio Frio, Vance, Kerr Wildlife Management Area, Waltonia, Montel, Garner State Park, Reagan Wells, Alamo Village, Lost Maple State Natural Area, Chickadee Cavern State Park, Grade Ranch and Devil Sinkhole State Natural Area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.